KCSO and Lamont Auto Repair are partnering once again to offer a catalytic converter theft prevention event. I'm Priscilla Lara, your neighborhood reporter in Lamont. It will allow drivers to receive a free painting and etching service for this important vehicle component. According to KCSO crime prevention specialist Alex Perez, Lamont and East Bakersfield are the communities with the most cases of catalytic converter theft.
We want to build that relationship with the community and do something with the community for the community, so we know that we are paying attention to those kind of stats and we want to make a difference.
By painting and engraving the catalytic converters with the vehicle's VIN number, Perez says it will minimize the risk of them getting stolen, and
in case any theft occurs in the future, we're able to trace it back to the owner.
I spoke to the owner of Lamont Auto Repair, Emmanuel Espinosa, who explained the role catalytic converters play in a vehicle's overall performance.
It's essentially a filtration system for your vehicle's exhaust. The precious metals within that exhaust are what help the gases that come out of your exhaust be clean.
With his business being in the heart of Lamont, he told me he's witnessed catalytic converter thefts firsthand.
It's super sad to see when we have somebody come in where they stole their catalytic converter and they get hit with a $2,000–$3,000 bill.
According to Perez, approximately 40 registered vehicles are guaranteed a service during the event, and walk-ins may be accepted if time permits. The event will take place on Saturday, January 20th from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. People can sign up by using the link on our website, turn to23.com. In Lamont, I'm Priscilla Lara, your neighborhood reporter.